Hello everybody. One of the interview questions that I personally faced in many interviews for the Scrum Master role is the difference between MVP and MMP. It is also followed by the next question, difference between MVP and prototype. But before we discuss on these topics, if you have still not watched the detailed video on MVP, click on the I icon above. MVP is minimum viable product. Let's consider the example of mobile application that is going to help a user in doing the virtual interior designing of his home. So in this application, we can consider that the MVP would be adding the photograph of their empty room and then selecting the furniture which they want. Considering this example, the product managers took the feedback. Let's see how the customers are reacting to our MVP. It's a 5-star rating and the customers are loving the app. 4-star rating and request for shop feature. Nice to know that. Wow, that's good to know that customers are liking the app and they are also interested in getting the next set of features. But now it's time to make the product managers happy as well. And the product managers would be happy only if they get the profit from the app in which they have invested. So now MMP comes into picture. MMP is minimum marketable product, meaning we have to develop the product in such a way that it captures the market and gives profit to the product manager. Okay, let's recall the virtual interior designer application. We added the feature to upload the empty room photograph, explore and select the furniture. Users can save this new room look. This is our MVP. MMP could be addition of shop feature. Product managers would earn profits if the users are shopping from this application. Let's summarize the difference between MVP and MMP. MVP aims at learning from the product. MMP aims at earning from the product. MVP is closer to the prototype, whereas MMP is closer to the market-ready product. You heard the word prototype. Let's understand it. Prototype is the blueprint, or we can say wireframes of the product. You can see in this image the drawings of how the login screens will look like. This is created in the initial phase and is given to the development teams for creating the working model of these screens. So the difference between MVP and prototype is MVP is the working model of wireframes and prototype is the blueprint or wireframes, or we can call as mockups. Thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful for you, like the video, subscribe the channel and add comments what you want to see the next. Bye bye.